as an addendum, I did notice that in the packing material, these fell out. So the seller did include extra fader caps, so that's good. It's just the bad packaging made them hide under a flap. So I thought I would have thrown it out without knowing with the box. However, this is the other thing. The unit has something loose inside. And that was a big part of my concern when I opened it up. So it has smashed, two faders that were smashed in shipping, and something loose inside of it due to insufficient packaging.